Children, today we will proceed the lesson number 9 and we are going to study about types of organisms on the basis of habitat. Habitat means you know na, that is home, our home. So mainly land-based habitat is called terrestrial. Land-based means animal live on the land, and land habitat are there two types. Mainly the plain where the humans and the common animal and people live, and the very dry, that is called maybe uh, desert areas where the like camel live. And the second is water based habitat, that's other name is aquatic. Means aqua means water, and here terrestrial, terrace means land. And most of the in the cities areas there, people like to have a terrace garden. Terrace garden means a land, plain roof type area where they can put different pots of flowers. Okay, so types of plants on the basis of habitat. The first is hydrophytes, means living in water. Means plant that grows on the in the water, like lotus, water lily, water hyacinth, and water chestnut. These are all aquatic plant. You are seeing the picture here, water lily, and the same type lotus float on the water. Got it? The second is mesophytes, living on land with sufficient water, like marigold, like trees, tulsi, neem, all kinds of normal plants that we see around us, that are consider or consist into the mesophytes, like rose also. The third one is xerophytes, living in land in dry climate. This is very important thing. Dry climate having scarcity of water, means scarcity one few very few water, very few water, very little water. Okay, like the desert areas, so cacti, babool, bear, these are the common trees that grows in the desert areas, and they are adapted to grow there, like their leaves converted into spines. जो उनकी लीव्स होती हैं वो एक इस टाइप में कांटों के शेप में कन्वर्ट हो जाती हैं, स्पाइंस. एंड देयर stem is becomes fleshy and shiny, that stop या reduce the rate of evaporation of water. Got it? And due to the lot of spines, animals are not like to eat them, so means they will remain safe in the desert areas. Next is types of animals on the basis of habitat. That were in the previous slide. We have seen, we have studied about the plants. Now we shall study about the animals on the basis of habitat. The first one is aquatic animals. These you have studied in the class 4th. Okay, aquatic means that live in the water, like fish, crocodile, alligator, turtle. They got it now. Seahorse. Next is terrestrial, means that live on the land, plain land or the dry land, like cow, horse, elephant, lion, giraffe. These live in common places. But like camel, ostrich, these found in the desert areas. Mean they then both considered into the terrestrial animals. Next is amphibious. Both live on water as well as in land. Sorry. Both live on land and in water. Like frog, toad. Toad and frog both come in the frog species. But turtle means tortoise. And the last one is arboreal animal. Animal means live on trees. Like squirrel, monkey. So these are arboreal animals that live on the trees. Okay, these are the example like fish live in water, giraffe live on land, frog lives on both land and water, and monkey live on trees. This is aquatic. This is terrestrial. These are amphibians, and these are arboreal. Okay.